Got to get it, Papa. Well, here I am, sitting under a cover, but it's pouring down raining. And guess what? It just ruined all my plans, because I was going to do a fun in the sun exciting episode of Look Dat, but it's obviously not sunny, and it's not really that much fun. So here I am, and I thought, well, I can't do what I wanted to do, but I did get hungry. Big surprise. So I went down the street to the local Dollar General, and I found some stuff. So wait, can you see what I found? If I can get it out of here. Everything's all wet and it's all sticking together. I don't remember if I actually looked at this before, but this is an exciting new style of Coke. It's spiced style. I don't know if it's scary spice or chili spice or I don't remember what the other ones were. Ginger spice. But it's spiced. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Let me see if they give you any clues. I don't think they give you any clues on the oh, wait, now hang on. Raspberry spiced Coke and other natural flavors. Well, this might be more of an adventure than I counted on. It's like one technical difficulty after another. Anyway, okay, let's see what's in here. Ooh, it sounds spicy. Oh man, it does smell like raspberry-ishness. That's weird, because they have cherry Coke, and it doesn't taste like that. Definitely doesn't taste like that. It has more of a berry-ish taste. Raspberry, I guess you could say, because that's what it's supposed to be. Well, that's really fancy. Okay, well, there you go. You learned something new. So if you see this, and it says spiced on it, it's that secret raspberry style. But don't be fooled, because they have some that are similar and they're spiced, but they're zero sugar. Wah, wah, wah. So, anyway, I thought, well, if I get something to drink, I'll probably get hungry too. So, I found some of these. And they're chips in a can. A can O chips. But they're called Pringles, in case you never heard of them before. And they're bursting with flavor, and these happen to be cheddar and sour cream style. And anyway, I'm curious because see how many servings are in this can. About 6 servings per container. About. So don't hold them to that. It's about. And the other thing is, these are actually not chips, and they do not say chip or potato chip anywhere on this packaging, because there was a great debate back in ye olden days, and they flogged people and all kind of stuff because they were calling them potato chips, and they said no, they're potato crisps, because basically they make like this pasty looking stuff, and they squirt it into a mold, and all the chips come out looking exactly the same. And if you've never seen these, which I would kind of be surprised, they've been around since like the 1970s, but If you haven't seen them, I feel sad for you. But let me get a couple out and you'll see what I mean. I'll keep this closed because it's so wet out here. I'm afraid they gotta get soggy. But look that. Now that's not one chip. That's actually 2 chips. Look that. And they're exactly the same because they're not chips. They're crisps. And you eat them like this. Oh! Oh! Ooh! And that's the kind of fun you can have with these. Let me see, I think they had a contest one time to see how stupid people could act with chips with crisp in their mouth. I don't know how they do that. Oh yeah, here's another one. Uh-oh. I don't know if it's gonna work now. Yes. They are sour, creamy-ish, and cheddary delicious. Perfect for a rainy day. But not quite perfect enough. Because I also found this. What? Oh, I'm afraid my bag's going to blow away. Okay. Yes. Look that. This is squirt cheese. And you shake it and you squirt it. And it's easy because it says so right on the can. Now I'm curious how many servings come out of this thing. About 7. About 6. So we're going to end up with some bonus cheese at the end of all this. And it is actually made with real cheese. See that? In case you were doubting it. For best results, remove cap. Okay, remove cap. Okay. I'm like doing this and it. Here we go. Oh, now. See, remove cap. Press tip firmly and move slowly across food surface. Okay. Well, here's what I was thinking about. I'm gonna get one of these chips. I guess I'll do it that way. I'm gonna put some of this squirt cheese on it. Okay. Press tip firmly and move slowly across food surface. Oh, oh, wait. Well, that didn't work like I thought it would. I guess you're supposed to aim it at it didn't say to aim it at your food surface. Now it's all over the can. Watch that. Woohoo! Well, okay. That's a taste sensation. I suggest you do this at home. Do it the right way though. It kind of got out of control. But that happens sometimes. Oh, look that. So look, I'm going to try it again. Aim it, turn it over and aim it at the food surface. And then you do like this. Ooh. I want to make some rosettes. But it's okay, that was a lot better, a lot neater. But I'm pushing the boundaries of science right now. And we're going to make a sandwich out of it. And there you go. Look at that. Oh. Wow. All I can say is wow. It's like a snack dynamo. And you could tell somebody for lunch you're gonna have a sandwich, and then you do this. Oh wait, watch. I'm gonna be fancy this time. Here we go. Oh, look that. Now that's a lot of squirt cheese there. Okay. Oh. Wow. Wow. It's a lot better than I thought it was going to be. And you can eat it off of your fingers after you make a giant mess like I did. Muy delicioso. Yum, 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 yum. Uh-oh. I'm going to put my fancy cap back on, but I got some residue all over it. Anyway, I was so sad and depressed, and now I'm happy. And that's a good thing, because the rainy day kind of messed up my original plans, but we have a lot more plans coming up on Look Dat. So, watch this. Be sure and subscribe. Just subscribe like this, and then push the tip firmly, and there you go. You're subscribed. And then you can see what happens on the next Look Dat.